Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the farmer goat in Goat Simulator 3. First, open your map and navigate to the Fair Meadows area. Once there, look for a prominent, large red barn situated centrally. This barn is your initial destination for unlocking this unique goat. Head inside the barn to proceed with the next step of your quest. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. Once you are inside the red barn, your objective is to locate a very specific item, a golden hay bale. This distinctive bale stands out from the regular hay. It is typically found on the ground floor, so scan the area carefully. When you spot it, simply approach and interact with it to pick it up. This golden hay bale is crucial for the next stage of unlocking the farmer goat. With the golden hay bale in your possession, your next task is to deliver it to the farmer. The farmer can usually be found just outside the red barn, or sometimes wandering in the adjacent fields. Carefully carry the hay bale over to them. Once you are close enough, simply drop the golden hay bale near the farmer. This action triggers the next part of the unlock sequence. Upon successfully delivering the golden hay bale, observe the farmer's reaction. Shortly after, you will receive an on-screen notification confirming that you have successfully unlocked the farmer goat. Congratulations! To use your new goat, simply open your customization menu. You can now select the farmer goat and enjoy its unique abilities in Goat Simulator 3. Have fun exploring with your new farm friend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.